Hey guys, this is RLC321, just back again with a very quick addendum to the other video I just posted yesterday regarding the Arduino, the final part of the Arduino. There's a few things I forgot to mention. In the Google Drive link that I sent you, there is 5 different folders that you need to put into your Arduino library folder on your documents. That's the blink LED, the chase LED, Franklin LED, LED flasher, and LED fader. They need to be in your thing for it to work. Okay. I've also put in a picture of a wiring diagram in there, so when you're doing the nacelles, it shows you how and when or where to put the wires. The negative wire or ground is number 1, which is one right in the middle. And then positives are the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 to go in that way, or 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to go that way. Okay. And also a good friend of mine, Ron, he has created the U.S.S. Franklin PDF instructions. It's a lot better than I could have done, and I want to thank him very, very much for that. Also, to another person I want to thank as well is Alex McDonald from Alex Builds. So that's Ron Orr and Alex McDonald. I want to thank you both very, very much for doing the things that you've done and helped me with this. They both have YouTube channels, so go visit them. Alex's channel is called Alex Builds. He does he's building like the Terminator, the DeLorean, the Short Circuit, Johnny 5 robot. And he's also done a few other different bits and pieces. And he's absolutely brilliant at doing it. So go watch that. Also, Ron has his own YouTube channel as well, the Sci-Fi Model Shop. Go watch his channel as well. He's doing the U.S.S. Enterprise, the 1000 Disco Prize, as they like to call it, the newer version from the Star Trek Discovery. He is also, I think, doing a few other things as well on his channel. I think he's going to be doing the Franklin as well, and I think he's going to do something else. Right now he's currently doing a big massive dragon, but he's also doing some bits and pieces on the Arduino on his channel as well, so go watch what he's done. Also, another one is Ostrich Longneck. I cannot stress enough to go watch his videos. Go to his playlist. Look for he's only got the one playlist on there, I do believe. Let me go open that in a new link. Go into his playlist, and yeah, he's only got one created playlist, and that's the electronics for model builders. And in there he has all of the bits and pieces that I first started off with the Arduino, and I am going to be continuing using all of this, because this is all for what he has on this playlist is all for the U.S.S. Enterprise refit or A. Okay, and because I'm going to be doing the 1350 refit, which is what these sets of videos are for, it's going to be brilliant. It's going to be brilliant. And so I'm going to use what he's done and obviously make it into my own and have a couple of Arduinos powering it and doing the light up sequence and everything like that. You know, it's going to be absolutely amazeballs. It really is. So guys, as I say, it's just a very quick video adding on to what I've done before. I'm just waiting on my dinner right now, and after dinner I'm going to be going on puttying the U.S.S. Franklin to get rid of any seam lines that are there ready to before we do the final paint job on it. But yeah guys, go check those two out, and I want to thank Ron for doing those PDF instructions for me. Absolutely brilliant. Couldn't have done those without you, mate. And remember, there's 5 folders that you need to put in to your Arduino libraries folder. Blink LED, Chase LED, Franklin 01, LED flasher, and LED fader. Okay, they all need to go in there. Okie dokie then. Alright then guys, so I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very short, as I say, it's just an add-on to the other one. And I will see you guys in the next video. So you take care of yourselves. Bye-bye now. Do I still not know how to turn this damn thing off? Oh, yeah, there it is. It's hiding. Bye.